Hello everyone, this is Business Proposal Presentation, and our group member including Yang Ziyang, Liang Xiao, Yin Yilong, Tu Le, Li Hangyi. This is Yin Yilong speaking. I'm the CEO and Production Manager. First of all, it is important to introduce the history of FreeChoc. In the Chinese market, the chocolate market has long been dominated by international brands, with the top 5 brands accounting for more than 30% of sales. Most of the chocolates in the Chinese market has purchased as single product without special features inside, resulting in decimal sales. I found so that the international market had a wide variety of chocolate flavors. Among them, the Chinese chocolate market has the most popular chocolate products in the Chinese market. For example, Jelico introduced Ibera milk chocolate and matcha flavored chocolate. The brown chocolate has achieved good sales in the Chinese market, pro, proving the feasibility of multi-flavored chocolate products in the Chinese market. Next page. Our vision is making Chinese own good flavored chocolates, and our mission is I hope that people in our country will have quality, cosmetic, multi-flavored chocolates to choose from when they want to eat chocolate. Not only cheaper than important chocolate, but also tastes better. Our company is located at number 66 Hongxing Street, Fangshan District, Beijing. Next. And our company had 2 layers of chocolate packaging. This picture on the left is the internal packaging. The picture on the right is the external packaging. The external box is heart-shaped, which represents the symbol of love. Next page. And this is our company logo. In the middle is our company name. More and taste represent our company's chocolate is multi-flavored. Next page. Table 2 shows our planned sales for 2023. In the first quarter, we expect to sell 1 million package. In the second quarter, we expect to sell 800,000 package. In the third quarter, we expect to sell 1.5 package due to the various holidays and events such as Nation Day holiday, Halloween, and Double 11 shopping holiday. In the fourth quarter, chocolate is a popular product during this period due to Christmas and New Year's Day, but drops to 1 million package due to the lack of long holidays. Table 3 sales are done through cash and credit. 6% of our product budget is cash sales, and the remaining 40% is credit that will be collected in the next quarter. Next page. Table 4 shows the pre-production of completed budget sales for each quarter. In the total production volume, we include the closed store of previous quarter and the expected closing stock of the company in order to keep the supply on track without interruption from the next quarter onwards. We keep 50% of the production in store. This allows us to sell our products without disruption. Next page. Thank you.
Hello, this is Liang Xiao speaking. I'm the quality manager of FreeChoc. FreeChoc has very high requirement on the quality of its products. In addition to other material, our company mainly select the following 3 nature-basic raw material to upgrade the chocolate. First is the high-quality cocoa, which is used to produce the delicious taste of chocolate. Although the price is relatively expensive compared with the cocoa butter substitute, natural cocoa is a guarantee of high quality food. And the second is margaric, which is nature's source of sweetness to replace unhealthy sugar. Third is sunflower lecithin, which can be added to make the chocolate more silky. Next page. The following is our main ingredient list. We use a total of 9 raw materials. In addition to the above high-quality materials, we also add matcha powder and other materials to improve the taste of chocolate and make it more delicious. It can be seen that The most expensive ones are cocoa powder and margarine, whose price per kilogram is CNY 80 and CNY 100. Next page. And this part is our manufacturing process. The manufacturing of our chocolate will mainly go through these 6 steps: branding, mixing, refining, tempering, demolding, and packaging. Next page. And the table shows the sales of chocolate this year. From the data in the table, we can see that the sales volume in the first and second quarter of this year has not changed so much. The sales volume in the third quarter is the best, followed by the fourth quarter, with the total sales of 4.55 million copies. Next page. And this table shows the declared material of chocolate. The proportion of cocoa powder and margarine is the highest in terms of raw materials. Therefore, we can conclude that in terms of materials, cocoa and margarine has the most important impact on the budget. If the price of these 2 raw materials can decrease, then we will get more profits. Next page. And after the production is over, we will sell the products on different channels, including online and offline. Next page. In addition, social media will also used by publicity, including Facebook, Google, Twitter, Pinterest, and so on. Next page. About the quality, first, we use international recognized good manufacturing practice. It calls GMP to ensure that our food quality and safety. Second, we use the internationally recognized HACCP system to ensure our food safety, and we will provide perfect after-sales service for every customers. Next. We have established a consumer service organization to ensure that we can respond to consumer inquiry, question, and concern in time. Because we always put food safety and quality first, it is the foundation of our business. Next person.
This is Pula. I'm the Human Resource Manager of FreeChoc. Now let me introduce the organization of our company. The management team of FreeChoc consists of Mr. Ying Yilong, Director and CEO, who oversees all operations by managing the business and affairs of the company while supervision the production department and ultimately making decisions for the company. Different positions have different responsibilities, and each position is important to ensure the company runs properly. Next. Now I will explain the direct labor cost. Our company employs 60 operators to work in the production department for 10 hours a day, 1,000 chocolate in 1 base. Each person gets paid 200 yuan a day. In 2023, it will be 4.55 million man-hours, and the total labor cost will be 5.46 million yuan. Next. We split the overhead cost in 2 parts. The first part, admission and marketing, account for 40% of the total, and the other part, manufacturing, accounted for 60%. The total accounted to 1.668 million yuan. The total overhead cost will be divided with the total direct labor hours to get the predetermined rate. The overhead rate per hour equal manufacturing overhead cost divided by total DHL equal 1,668,000 divided by 4,515 equal 316.59 yuan per hour. Next. Now we know the total direct labor time and the overhead rate per hour. We can divide the total overhead. The total for the 4 quarters was 1,167,984.5 yuan. That's my part. Next one.
Hello everyone, my name is Yang Ziyang. I am sales manager of the FreeChoc Company. With the all-call 11 method of the college, we can drive the cost and the meal labeling is the most important cost maker calculator. Actors for the 7-8 of the total operating cost. If the companies can activity in interior production and prices and ensure the level of the number the sees profit will also have great grace. According to the 20, we can see the annual sales breakdown cost of the company is 7-8 million yuan, with the highest sales variable in the third quarters. Next.
Okay, this is Li Hangyi speaking. I'm the financial manager of the FreeChoc. This section is a cash flow analysis. We have calculated the sales flow for each month, which is presented in the first row of the table. The cash expenses consist of three parts, including the cash paid to supplies, cash paid to workers, and manufacturing overhead. As you can see, the cash recoveries are higher than the cash expenses in each quarter, so we achieved a cash surplus. At the end of 2023, we expected to achieve a surplus of 7 billion. Next page. So we have a complete financial report now. In this report, we also need to minus the total overhead cost, and we could get the net profit in 2023. The net profit is 20 billion and 113,500 yuan. Next page. This is our static budget report. We use ABC method to calculate overhead rate. Next page. The method we used is activity-based cost method, which is more accurate than the traditional cost method. And we could get every kind of the overhead rate respectively. When we produce 1,000 chocolates, the item that increases mostly is the CEO salary, and the slowest growth is telephone. The total variable cost is 367 yuan while producing a bunch. Next page. Our company has a flexible budget shown in this slide. The manager could use the flexible budget to analyze differentiation between the actual situation and the budget situation to determine some issues. Based on the table, the favorable represents that our budget is higher than the actual expenses, while the unfavorable represents that our budget is lower. Now we could say in the flexible budget, the water bill is unfavorable, the maintenance is unfavorable, the depreciation is unfavorable. So in the next year budget, we should pay more attention to the three expenses. Clearly, and glad to say, our expenses is in this table. Other expenses in this table are favorable, like electricity, telephone, salary. The total variable cost is also favorable, which shows that our budget can be helpful and useful. Company got 7,947 yuan free cost. Next page. We could use this formula to calculate the contribution margin. The result is 20 billion and 989,500 yuan. Contribution margin per bag is equal to 4.61, which means when we sell the last production, we get 4.61 yuan. CM ratio is equal to contribution margin per package divided by the selling price per package. The result is 23.05%, which represents that the last product contributes to the sales. Our company has a strong growth potential. Okay, this is our company proposal presentation. Thank you for watching. Next page. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's all.